This is our wholesale cotton candy vending machine. In the machine, there is a screen will teach you how to play this machine. And now, let me show you how to. First, you should put the candy to the machine, just like that. And then insert the coins. Okay, you can see the machine is rolling. The heater motor. After about 10 seconds, you can see the candy. You see, it's so easy. The coins, you can set how many coins per time, and the time last also can set. It can set 10 seconds, 20 seconds, and 30 seconds. Okay, it's done. If you want to learn more about our products, please contact us. This is Lee from Home and Game Machine. That's all. Thank you.